I think Rise helped in me in a lot of ways. One way was that it was a place that I could go after a shift or in the middle of my shift to experience people who were able to just listen. Also, the obvious is that there was coffee and snacks. So Rise was nice for that. Later on, many weeks later, I went to Rise and had been going through a personal experience and came in contact with Maria. And Maria was just like, "How's your day going?" And I told her how my day was going, and I said it was a long day, which was probably the same story I gave a lot because we had long days. And I told her that I was going through a separation, and she listened. She didn't try to fix it. She just listened to me and let me kind of spill my guts to her. After our conversation, she, told me thank you, and I told her thank you. I said I felt so good to just like talk about it and let it out and let people know what's going on instead of just bottling it up inside. And I think that's where Rise really does a lot of its work, is it just gives you the opportunity to let somebody listen to you. I would say to my coworkers who are considering using Rise that if you need a place or if you need someone to just listen to you and not fix you, Rise is a fabulous place. The staff that work in Rise are Denver Health employees. They're people that we see all the time walking the halls, working with our patients, and people that we can trust. I became a peer responder about 2 weeks ago. I was up in Rise chatting with Maria about my separation, and have always wanted to kind of give back, especially in a way that Rise is giving back to our staff. And she asked me if I wanted to join the orientation, and I said yes. Each of us have our own individual stories. We have our own individual crisis, especially going through this COVID-19 pandemic. It's not the only thing that's going on in our lives, right? So we have our own personal issues. I felt comfortable going to Rise and talking about my issues and the things that were bothering me beyond COVID-19. I hope that you feel the same way, that you feel like you can go to Rise, call a peer responder, and have them listen to you for whatever reason you need to reach out for assistance. I think Rise is a fabulous program. I hope that Denver Health continues to invest in Rise. I think that throughout this whole pandemic, we've really been lifted up by Rise. The staff, patients, even though it's not for our patients, I think it helps us as human beings when we feel better to take care of our patients. So I really, really emphasize that I think that Rise is a wonderful program, and I look forward to many more experiences with Rise. Thanks.